Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2009 Honda VTX1300R. Really beautiful bike. Metallic silver. It's got a lot of nice touring extras, including the engine guards, running lights, a touring windscreen, floorboards. Wait till you hear that awesome sounding Vance & Hines exhaust, and a nice tall backrest for your passenger. Shaft drive 1300. Come on by, make your V-twin cruiser dreams come true for just $64.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.